the ISC floor plan was sold out within record time, and this is a really good sign. It means that our exhibitors have a lot to share and they're really looking forward to presenting their innovations to the HPC community. There will be the usual mix of research organizations and vendors, including the household names everyone expects to see at an HPC event, as well as quite a few new exhibitors. So even if you have been attending ISC for many years, you will still find someone or something new on the show floor. Just go to our website, check out the exhibitor listing for an inspiration. Let's stay with the exhibitor listing for a moment. It offers various filters to help you find exhibitors based on your interests. If you're looking for a specific type of product or solutions from a certain geographical region, just go to the bottom of the exhibitor listing where the filters are located and play around with them. You can put together your own list of exhibitors to visit. Every exhibitor will have their own interactive page where you can find all kinds of information about their presence at ISC. I would say ISC exhibition is a really good place to get a feel for what's new in HPC, what's going on in the HPC world today. In addition, many of our exhibitors will be also speaking in the conference program. Many will be presenting at the Vendor Showdown, one of the most popular, fun, and dynamic sessions at ISC, where you can hear from about 20 vendors within just a couple of hours. If you're a first-time attendee and don't know anyone in the HPC community, just go to the exhibition. This is the best place to make first connections. This is what I do at events where I don't know anyone. I just go to the exhibition hall, stop at any booth that attracts my attention, and start talking to exhibitors. Exhibitors are there for you. They're waiting to talk to you. They will be very happy to welcome you to the community, share a few tips, perhaps introduce you to other people, and the next morning you'll be greeting a few familiar faces at your hotel at breakfast like an ISC pro, I promise. If you are looking for a job or an internship or any other type of educational or career opportunities independent of your level, check out the HPC Career Center online. You will find the list of job or training or educational openings that our exhibitors offer. I am a big fan of souvenir type of giveaways, and we just actually found out with our sales manager recently that we have the same set of giveaways from different ISCs on our working desks.